Okay, what's up, guys? Today I have something to show you, and this is especially for those children who are born in like this digital age and they don't know anything about retro tech. I have a nice piece I found while I was cleaning. I found it on the floor, and I feel like I have to show it to you guys. So this is a cassette, a very old cassette, and let me tell you how the cassette came into existence. So the cassette was first introduced by a Dutch uh, a Dutch engineer called 𝙄𝙣𝙨𝙪𝙖𝙬 for Philips. You know the company Philips. So he created the cassette for them. I don't know what they were using it for, but he was the first person to introduce a cassette in 1962. Let's talk about the parts of the cassette. Like as you can see, there's a tiny film. There's like very long film inside the cassette. Very long film. If you can see the film, I don't know if you can see, or maybe I should peel this thing off. So there's like a very thin film, very long film around this to, I don't know, circles or something in the cassette. And on this film, that's where the audio or the video that our grandfathers and grandparents used to listen to. This thing is worked by slotting it into a cassette player to listen to the audio or video you like to listen to. So yeah, that's how basically it works. And this thing was a big deal back then. Like it became something big. People would listen to audio and stuff. And surprisingly, the album on this cassette is the 𝙄𝙣𝙨𝙪𝙖𝙬 album from TLC. Crazy Sexy. I like to listen to it, but I don't have a cassette player, so I can't do anything with this thing right now. I don't know why, but thanks for watching. If you've watched up to this point, make sure to like and subscribe to the video, and make sure to watch more videos. Thank you.